Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ijwar Topiohu. I am from Chemistry Education Class A. Here I will present Module 6 with the title Synthesis of Mangan 6 and Mangan 3 compounds. Objective: synthesis Mangan 6 and Mangan 3 compounds. Introduction: Mangan is a transitional group which is a gray white metal that looks similar to cast iron, has a high melting point of approximately 1250 derajat Celsius. It reacts with warm water to form mangan 2 hydroxide and hydrogen. Like photogeneration at MnCO4L radical 1,2 deox Mn2CO5 L2 presence of organic halides or physical mixture of Mn2CO3L2. Tools and materials. Tools category 1: beaker glass, drop pipette, funnel, test tube rack, measuring cup, measuring flask, spatula, glass stirrer. Category 2: analytical balance, distiller, foam hood. Materials: general materials, filter paper, tap water, washing soap, tissue, distilled water. Specific material: KMnO4 0,001 m, KMnO4 0,1 m, konsentrasi H2SO4, H2SO4 1 m, MnSO4, MnO2. Experimental work scheme: Mangan 6 compound, test tube 1, mix 10 ml 0,01 m KMnO4 with 5 ml 1 m H2SO4. Add a little MnO2, then shake it. Filter the solution. Test tube 2, mix 10 ml 0.01 m KMnO4 with 5 ml 2 m NaOH. Add a little MnO2, then shake it. Filter the solution. Mangan 3 compounds, weigh 0.5 grams of MnSO4, then reacts with 2 ml of 1 m H2SO4. Add 10 drops of concentration H2SO4. Cool with cold water. Add 5 drops of 0,1 m KMnO4 mixed in 50 ml of distilled water. Observe the changes that occur. Discussion: the first experimental was conducted to make Mangan 6. The first step is to prepare 2 empty test tube, label 1 and 2, then put 4 ml of 0.01 m KMnO4 into 2 test tube that have been labeled and 1 and 2. After that, add 2 ml of dilute H2SO4 solution into the tube 1 and 2 ml of dilute KOH into a test tube 2. The result obtained in the test tube 1 and 2 of the solution both turned purple. Then a small amount of MnO2 was added to a test tube. In test tube 1 and 2, the solution remained purple. After filtering in the test tube 1, the solution changed color to light purple, while in the test tube 2, the solution changed color to blackish green. In the manufacture of Mangan 3, the first step is to weigh 0.5 gram of MnSO4, then put it into a test tube and react with 2 ml of 1 m H2SO4 and the solution becomes clear. After that, 10 drops of concentration H2SO4 were added, which resulted in a cloudy solution, and there were still insoluble MnSO4 granules. Then the solution is cooled with cold water and add 5 drops of 0.1 m KMnSO4 and 50 ml of distilled water, the solution turns brown. Conclusion: after carrying out the above practicum, it can be concluded that the manufacture of mangan can occur using a base which is marked by a change in the color of the solution from purple to green. Compounds in mangan 6 containing permangan ions are only stable in alkaline condition. This shows a positive reaction from mangan 6. Meanwhile, in the manufacture of mangan 3, it can be seen from the color change that occurred, which were initially clear to dark brown, which was a positive reaction from the manufacture of mangan 3. Thank you.